Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got this look for you. It's another look from the new Morphe X Jeffree Star palette, so I hope you enjoy the video. guys, so this is the look that I've got for you today. I hope you did enjoy it. I'm having so much fun playing about with this palette here, which is the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette. Hold it the right way around. There's so many different shades in here to play about with, and today I decided to go for more of a pink kind of look, using some of those gorgeous pink shades. This one here was one of the standout shades for me between the silver, this one down here, well actually these three, and the glitter one. But the ones that I went for today were the three purple and pink ones in the middle, this one over here, which is, I can't see, don't know her, and then I did also just put a pop of this silver shade here, which is custom rims, just in the center, just to make the look really pop. And then I finished it off in my Lottie London Slay All Day matte lip in the shade #TBT. And then I also then popped on top, just to give it a little bit of a shimmer, was the Huda Beauty lip strobe, and this is in the shade Ritzy. This is the one that I actually got in my glossy box in the birthday edition, and I've been dying to use it as like a lip topper anyway, and I thought today was the perfect shade to go for. So if you did enjoy the video, then please remember to give this video a big thumbs up for me, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Remember to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I do upload 2 videos a week, and I try to do that on a Sunday and a Wednesday, but those days do vary just a little bit these days. Follow me over on my Instagram account, just by here, and then also follow me on my Twitter account, which is also just by here. Also, you can follow me now on TikTok. I have started a TikTok account. I am brand new to it, so you'll have to bear with me while I try and get my bearings with it. Anyway, until next time guys, take care.